Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I'm going to share a double unboxing with you. I have two pairs of shoes that I've added to my collection over the Black Friday / holiday period. One was a gift and they were on my Christmas wish list, so my partner got that for me for Christmas. Very happy about that. And then the other pair were on Black Friday sale. I think they're still currently on sale, and they're from a shoe brand that I have not ever purchased from before, which is very unlike me to buy something off of the internet that I've never seen in person or tried, but I fell in love with the style and the color of these shoes, so I couldn't resist. But I think what I'll do is just show the actual unboxing experience while I talk about each shoe and how I envision like using them, styling them, using them in my wardrobe. Let's hop into it. If you have seen some of my videos in the past, you'll know that I have a few pairs of these shoes. I actually have three pairs, one in a nude, one in a chocolatey brown, and one in a black from Everlane. And then I have a quince dupe of them in a cognac brown. So these are my daily shoes, my daily drivers. I wear them year round through the fall, winter, summer, spring, year round, honestly. A little less in the summer, but I even wear them in the summer. And so they're kind of part of my like daily uniform. So these are the day glove from Everlane. I added this color, which is a green color, to my wish list as soon as I saw it. I think it's called Birch on their website, and they're just beautiful. They're exactly what I wanted. I've been looking to add like more neutral, but yet like kind of a pop, like an unusual neutral to my shoe collection and my accessories in general, to my bags too. And what I love about these shoes is that they're super comfortable, first off. They're very versatile. I can dress them up and dress them down. And then they're flats. I'm a toddler mom. I always have loved flats, and I'm quite tall. I'm 5'9", so flats work really well in my everyday. And I prefer these over putting on like sneakers or something like that. This is really and truly like my everyday shoe. So yeah, these ones are really beautiful. I love this color. I love the quince dupe ones as well. I think they're very comfortable and really well made, but quince doesn't have a lot of cool colors, and so I just really think this will go well in my wardrobe, and I can't wait to style them. I mean, I think that honestly it'll go with anything that I wear: blacks, whites, browns, tans, a lot of beige and cream in my wardrobe as well. But I think I can also dress it up with like more blues and denims and that kind of thing. I think it'll go really nicely. So yeah, those are my Everlane day gloves, my fourth pair at this point. I think my nude ones are about on their last leg. They're in pretty bad shape. And I've had those for 3 or 4 years. So now these are going to be in the rotation. The second pair of shoes are from Erwin, and these are a mule. And so this mule, I'm really into mules in general, but this one I saw they have a black and a tan, and then they had this beautiful color that here. It's a burgundy. And so I fell in love with this burgundy color. I have a pair of sandals that I am wearing into the ground from Shop Either Or. It's a smaller indie shoe brand, and it's this exact color of leather, like this beautiful burgundy, shiny kind of leather. And I wear them all the time. I wish I could wear them all through the fall and winter too. And so I thought this would be an amazing addition. I think I found that this shade of burgundy goes with so much of my wardrobe, which is why I can wear the sandals so much. And yeah, so I figured this would be a really great, like, versatile piece. I also love, love, love a mule in general. Maybe I'll do a full shoe collection at some point here, but you'll notice that I have a lot of mules in my collection, a lot of like open back sandals as well. And these ones are just a very sleek design, very clean, but then they also have this square toe, which I'm a huge fan of, a square toe shoe. I think it's just very elegant. I don't think it ever really goes out of style if it's not too sharp. This one's a little bit of a gentle square. Maybe you can see it better here. And yeah, I had never purchased from Jack Erwin before. They're like a New York-based brand. But I saw that these are called the Stella, by the way, the Stella Mule. These were originally $220, and then they went on sale for $132, and they just feel very classic to me. So I am super stoked to try these out all through the fall, winter, and spring probably not so much in the summer. But I think that this color just is beautiful. It makes any outfit look really rich. And then it's a nice change from my typical browns, blacks, and tan shoes. So that's it for now that I have. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a like styling, how I'm wearing them, what they pair well with. And also, if you're interested in seeing my entire shoe collection, it's pretty well curated, but it's still not small. I really love shoes. I've always loved shoes. I don't have a lot of heels. It's mostly like workhorse style, high quality shoes that can be paired with lots of different things. That's what I look for. And quite a few boots, because I do have a weakness for boots. But if you'd be interested in seeing that, please let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to share and do a little bit of a story time, and also share maybe how long I've had each shoe so you can see, you know, how long, like the wear and tear on it. And yeah, until the next video, I hope you're taking care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.